Hi everyone, macOS Sonoma is the upcoming major release of macOS, Apple's operating system for Mac computers. It was announced at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, 2023 on June 6, 2023. Some of the new features in macOS Sonoma include new lock screen. The lock screen has been redesigned with a new look and new features, including widgets, live activities, and a notification summary. New widgets. Widgets can now be placed anywhere on the desktop, and they can be resized and customized. Reactions. You can now react to messages in FaceTime and messages with emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Enhanced privacy. macOS Sonoma includes new privacy features, such as the ability to hide your IP address when browsing the web and the ability to prevent apps from tracking your location. Game mode. Game mode optimizes your Mac for gaming, giving you the best possible performance. macOS Sonoma is expected to be released in the fall of 2023 during the Apple event. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.